Hi y'all. Now we're gonna do search a 2D matrix, and it's similar to the problem we just did. So basically, first we need to get the rows and columns to uh to get the formula for our left and right pointer. So the rows is gonna be the length of our matrix, and the columns is gonna be the length of our matrix at index 0, like that. Then our left pointer will just be 0, and our right pointer is going to be rows times columns minus 1, like that. And now we just go while our pointers are valid, like that. Then we need to get the middle index, so it's just going to be m equal l plus parentheses r minus l, like that. Then divided by 2, like that. Then now we just do what we regularly do. Wait, actually, no. We need to get the actual row and column. Row and column. I think for row is gonna be it's gonna be our middle index divided by uh the column, and for column is gonna be m module of column, like that. Then now we check if 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 our matrix at row and column, if it's less than the target, then we want to increment our left pointer. Then we want to start from the middle to +1. Else if the matrix, if where we're at is greater than our target, then we want to uh, move our right pointer down. So we check the left side instead. So m minus 1. Then else, we just return true because that probably means we found it. And then once we go out of this loop, that means we couldn't find it, so we just return false.